Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So in this quick video, we will see how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get started. What I have here is a small timetable dataset where you have the dates and a few subjects. We will try to assign an instructor on each date to each of the subjects and also define the timings. Let's see how that is done using drop-downs. So in order to create a drop-down, just select the empty cell, go to the Data tab, click on an icon named Data Validation. In here, come to Settings and under Allow, click on List. Now you have to select a source here. I have already created a list of instructors, so I'll go ahead and select that and then go ahead and click on OK. Now I'll apply this formula to the entire column, and now you can select your instructor using a drop-down list just like this. Similarly, you can define a timing as well. So go again to Data, click on Data Validation, and now we will select List, but instead of selecting a source from somewhere else, we will just define the source separated by a comma. So I just need these two values, forenoon and afternoon. Click on OK, and then you can select whichever value you want from the list of values, and you can also apply this formula using a flash fill or just drag it downwards. So this is how drop-down works, and one thing to note is you cannot enter any other values. It will show an error, so you need to enter just a value from the drop-down. I hope you liked the video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If there are any comments, please let me know, and I'll see you with another video next week. Thank you.